Hello everyone, this is your Bandini Sharma. Welcome back to my channel BMB tutorial. So in previous session we have discussed the exercise 2.2 and now in today's session we will discuss the exercise 2.3. So let's start it. So exercise 2.3, question number first. Find the remainder when x raised to power 3 plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 is divided by the following polynomials. Okay, so you have to check here the remainder when you are given a particular polynomial and it is divided by x plus 1, x minus 1 by 2, x and x plus y. Okay, so polynomial that is given here x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. Okay, now you have to find the remainder when this polynomial is divided by the first part is x plus x plus 1. Okay, so the polynomial is this and divisor is this. Okay, let's take it as qx. Okay, so by remainder theorem, what does it say? If a polynomial is divided by a linear polynomial that is in the form of x minus a is any real number, okay, then your remainder will be pa. Okay, so as you can see here, the given polynomial whose degree is greater than 1, okay, and you are dividing it by x plus 1, that is a linear polynomial, so it is in the form of x minus a. Okay, now the remainder will be pa. Okay, the remainder will be pa. So remainder is what? Pa. But here x minus a is what is given? X plus 1. Okay, it is given. Now we have to find first the value of a. Now see, x plus x, this will be cancel out. You are left with minus a equals to 1. So a will be minus 1. Okay, a is here what? The real number, that is here minus 1. Okay, so you have to put this value in pa. So pa, that is your remainder minus 1. Now put this value minus 1 in the given polynomial. So minus 1 cube plus 3x square means into minus 1 whole square plus 3 into minus 1 plus 1. Okay, cube of minus 1 is minus 1 and square of minus 1 is 1 and 3 into 1 is what? 3. 3 into minus 1 is 3 and plus 1. Now see, this plus 3 minus 3 cancel out, minus 1 plus 1 cancel out. So you are getting here at 0. So remainder will be 0. pa की वैल्यू क्या आ रही है? 0 आ रही है. Okay, so remainder आपका क्या हो जाएगा? 0. It means this polynomial is divisible by x plus 1. Okay, px, the given polynomial is here same, only the divisor is changing. Okay, so I am taking here divisor as gx, that is given in second part x minus 1 by 2. Okay, so this is also a linear polynomial, so you can apply here remainder theorem to get the remainder. So if we will write it as y remainder theorem. First you have to find the real number a. Okay, so here x minus a is what? X minus 1 by 2. Okay, so from here a will be 1 by 2. Okay, using remainder theorem, remainder will be PA, and PA is here P at x equals to 1 by 2. Okay, now put this value in polynomial. 1 upon 2 whole cube plus 3 into square of 1 by 2 plus 3 into 1 by 2 plus 1. Okay, now see, cube of 1 by 2 1 by 8 plus square of 2 1 upon 4. Okay, so 3 upon 4 plus 3 upon 2 plus 1. Okay, if you add this, first you will take the LCM, so LCM will come as 8. So 1 plus 4 2s are 8, so 2 3s are 6 plus 2 4s are 8, so 4 3s are 12 and 8 1s are 8, so here come as 8. Okay, now see, 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 8 15, and 15 plus 10 25 plus 2 27. So remainder is here what? 27 by 8. Okay, so whenever you are given a polynomial with degree greater than or equal to 1 and you have to divide that polynomial by a linear polynomial, then you can use their remainder theorem. Okay, so the remainder will be yours PA, means value of polynomial at x equals to a, where a is any real number. Okay, now see third part, gx equals to ax. ये भी क्या है? लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल है. ओके, और यहाँ पर जो गिवन पॉलिनोमियल है दैट इज ऑफ डिग्री ग्रेटर देन 1. ओके, सो यू हैव टू डिवाइड दिस polynomial by gx, that is a linear polynomial. It means you can apply here remainder theorem. So you will write by remainder theorem here the divisor is x. So if we equate x minus a equals to x, so here a will be what? 0, PA, and a here we get 0, so P at 0, means you have to apply the value of x 0 in the given polynomial. So 0 cube plus 3 into 0 square plus 3 into 0 plus 1. So cube of 0 is 0, 3 into square of 0 is 0, 3 into 0 plus 1. So remainder will be 1 here. Now fourth part is the given polynomial is same. Okay, and gx means divisor is x plus 5. Okay, now we have given the divisor, that is a linear polynomial in the form of x minus a. So first we will calculate the value of a by equating x minus a equals to x plus 5. ऐसा हम क्यों कर रहे हैं? क्योंकि हमें क्या यहाँ पर a की वैल्यू निकालनी है. अगर हमें रिमाइंडर थ्योरम यूज़ करना है जिसका स्टेटमेंट क्या है कि अगर कोई पॉलिनोमियल जिसकी डिग्री 1 से ग्रेटर हो या इक्वल टू 1 हो और कोई एक रियल नंबर a है, तो अगर आप इस पॉलिनोमियल को उस लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल जो कि क्या है x माइनस a से डिवाइड करते हैं, तो आपका रिमाइंडर क्या होगा? PA होगा. ओके, इट मीन्स डिविडेंड इज दिस पार्ट एंड डिवाइजर इज x माइनस a part. Okay, then only remainder will be PA. Now here the divisor is x plus 5, so that should be equal to x minus a. That is why we are equating these two. Okay, because we have to find the value of a. see here, plus x cancel out, so it will give minus a equals to pi, or we can say a equals to minus pi. तो यहाँ पर वो रियल नंबर क्या है, a minus pi. So why using remainder theorem? PA will be remainder, okay, and PA is here what, minus pi. Now put the value, minus pi whole cube plus 3 into minus pi whole square plus 3 into minus pi plus 1. Okay, cube of minus pi means minus raised to power an odd number, so it will come as minus pi, square of minus pi, pi square, so 3 pi square, and 3 into minus pi is 3 pi plus 1. Okay, now see, 3 pi square minus pi minus 3 pi are like terms, so these will be add up, so minus 4 pi plus 1. This pi is a constant, so it will, you can leave it as it is. Okay, so remainder is here 3 pi square minus 4 pi plus 1. Okay. Okay, fifth part is the divisor that is given here, 5 plus 2x. Okay, whenever you are given divisor, just write in decreasing order of their degree. So I have written this in the decreasing order of their power. Okay, so 2x plus 5. Now see, first we have to find the value of a. Okay, is that any real number, and you are dividing this polynomial by x minus a. Okay, now see, if we want to find out the what is the value of x, we put in x minus a, so that we get its 0. So for finding 0 of 2x plus 5, that is a linear polynomial, if we want to find its 0, what we will do, we equate with it 0. Now see, 2x 0 minus 5, okay, x will be minus 5 upon 2. Okay, so you have to put this value in polynomial. Okay, so why using remainder theorem? A, x equals to a, PA, that is remainder that we have to find. Okay, so PA here should be P minus 5 by 2. Okay, so write this value in this polynomial, so minus 5 upon 2 raised to power 3 plus 3 into minus 5 upon 2 raised to power 2 plus 3 into minus 5 upon 2 plus 1. Okay, now see, cube of, so minus cube of 5 is 125 and 2 cube of 2 is 8. Okay, and plus 3 into square of 5, that is 25 upon square of 2 is 4. Okay, minus 3 into this minus 5 by 2, So 3 5s are 15/2 plus 1. Okay, make it in simpler. 25 3s are 75 upon 4 minus 15/2 plus 1. Okay, so these are what rational numbers. You have to take LCM, so LCM will be 8. So minus 125 plus 4 2s are 8, so 75 2s are 150, 2 4s are 8, so 15 4s are 60 and plus 8. Now solve it. Minus 125 plus 150, 25 minus 60 plus 8. Now see, 25 plus 8, what? 33 minus 60 upon 8. So minus 27 upon 8 will be its remainder. Okay. Question number 2 is, find the remainder when x cube minus ax square plus 6x minus a is divided by x minus a. Okay, so you have to find remainder here, and the given polynomial is what? X cube minus ax square. So the given polynomial x cube minus ax square plus 6x minus a, that is a polynomial of degree greater than 1. Okay, and you have to divide it by a polynomial x minus a. Okay, so you have to find here remainder. Okay, now you can see here the degree of this given polynomial is more than 1, or okay, and the divisor is in the form of x minus a, means a linear polynomial. Okay, so here you can apply the remainder theorem. Okay, so write by remainder theorem, remainder will be PA. Okay, now put this a in the given polynomial. So a cube minus a into a square plus 6 into a minus a. Okay, now a cube minus a into a square, a cube plus 6 into a, 6a minus a. Okay, now see, this a cube minus a cube is 0 and 6a minus a is what? 5a. So remainder will be 5a. Okay, by remainder theorem you can do this question, or directly by doing long division method you can find its remainder. Okay. Okay. Question number 3 is, check whether 7 plus 3x is a factor of 3x cube plus 7x. तो इस क्वेश्चन में हमें क्या करना है? आपको चेक करना है कि 7 प्लस 3x क्या 3x क्यूब प्लस 7x का फैक्टर है. ओके, ये एक चीज़ मैंने पहले डिस्कस की थी कि अगर फैक्टर की बात आती है जैसे 12, you can write it as, if you divide 12 by 3, okay, you are dividing this 12 by 3, then you can write it as 3 into 4 plus 0. Okay, so 12 is here dividend, 3 is divisor and 4 is quotient and remainder is 0. Okay, so we can see here this 3, that is divisor, is a factor of 12. Okay, this 3 is a factor of 12 and this is only possible when the remainder is 0. Okay, if remainder is something, then it will not a factor of the given dividend. Okay, तो एक चीज़ यहाँ से क्या क्लियर होती है कि अगर कोई नंबर, कोई पॉलिनोमियल किसी दूसरे पॉलिनोमियल से डिवाइड हो रहा है, ठीक है, तभी ये चीज़ पॉसिबल है कि वो डिवाइज़र डिविडेंड का फैक्टर होगा। ओके, कब? जब रिमाइंडर 0। अगर डिविडेंड इज फुली डिविजिबल बाय डिवाइजर, then only remainder will be 0. Then you can say the dividend is, divisor is a factor of dividend. So same case is here. Okay, here we have to check that the given divisor is a factor of dividend. So dividend is here px is equals to 3x cube plus 7x, 3x cube plus 7x. Okay, so this is dividend and you are dividing it by, suppose gx, that is 7 plus 3x. Okay, 7 plus 3x. Now see, this is a polynomial with degree greater than 1. Okay, and this is the divisor that is in linear polynomial because degree is 1. Okay, now you have to check, is this a factor of this dividend given polynomial? And factor is possible only in the case when the remainder is 0. So by remainder theorem we can find its remainder. If it comes 0, it means gx is divisor of, gx is a factor of px. Okay, so let's first check the remainder. So by remainder theorem, remainder is what? PA. Okay, PA. Now you have to find this A. So divisor is here 7 plus 3x. So to find A, you have to put this value 0. Okay, so here x will be minus 7 upon 3. Okay, so this is A. Okay, now put this value in remainder part. So PA means P at A, that is 7 upon 3 equals to 3x cube, means minus 7 upon 3 cube plus 7x means 7 into minus 7 upon 3. Okay, now see, 3 into 3 into cube of minus will come, and 7 7 ja 49, and 49 into 7 is what? 343, right? So minus 343 27. Okay, plus 7 into minus 7 upon 3. Now see, 3, so minus 343 upon 9, and this one minus 49 upon 3. Okay, now see, if you take LCM, then minus 343 minus 3 3 ja 9, so 3 9 ja 27, to carry 3 4 ja 12, 12 plus 2 147. Now add up this, 3 7 0, 4 plus 4 8 plus 1 9, 3 1 4. Okay, so this is your remainder, but it is not equals to 0. That is why this gx is not a factor of px. You will write it as x, or 7 plus 3x is not a factor of px, means 3x cube plus 7x. Okay, so इस टाइप के क्वेश्चन फ्रिक्वेंटली एग्ज़ाम में पूछे जाते हैं। क्या आपको यहाँ क्या पूछा गया था, इज़ चेक वेदर 7 + 3x इज़ अ फैक्टर ऑफ 3x³ + 7x, एंड वी नो दैट फैक्टर तभी होगा जब रिमाइंडर क्या होगा, 0 होगा। तो हमने रिमाइंडर थ्योरम से क्या किया, रिमाइंडर निकाला। रिमाइंडर यहाँ पर क्या आ रहा था, 0 नहीं आ रहा है, इसका मतलब दिस इज़ नॉट द फैक्टर ऑफ गिवन पॉलिनोमियल। ओके, सो this was all about today's session, in which we have discussed some basic concepts and exercise 2.3, right? If you have any query, doubt related to today's session, please ask me on comment section, and in my next upcoming videos we will discuss the basic concept related to exercise 2.4. Till then, keep watching my channel. Thank you.